Congress, ginawa namin universidad ang Don Honorio Ventura College of Art and Trades, Don Honorio Ventura State University. At ngayon po tayong mga 8 regular campuses across this university.
Narito po kami sa umaga para makinig sa hearing regarding sa Bago. And sorry po, kasi hindi po ma-live kasi na
alam mo, sinasabi ko lang po ito.
kasama po
Kasi
kami.
po, the stellar example which showcases the ascension of Pablo University. As part of this expansion, we have just new campus in the city of San Fernando. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pablo University today is based from the blood, sweat, tears and dreams of every
Representative ng bawat district narito
and the son of Pablo.
sila po
We will not let this redemption story God go free. We have sacrificed too much for our municipalities,
iba pang ito para sa
This time, through the entry of foreign entities with malign intention, this is a warning to all who threaten the safety and security of our people. You will never succeed. We will pursue this joint investigation and demonstrate our commitment to justice, the rule of law, and the protection of human rights. The Hotdog Committee meeting is every House member's testament that we will fight against the malice that hoaxes to undermine that we have labored for. We will not allow this spread to nearby towns and provinces and turn this down of our country. Through this investigation efforts, we will mirror the resiliency of our people of Pampanga, the people of the Philippines. We will overcome this tragedy and adversity. We will rise from ashes and we will rebuild our beloved country towards our goal of having Pilipinas. Bago tapos, alam niyo po, hindi po namin alam kung paano namin pinaganda yung mga Pampanga. Kung paano kami lumaban, kung may naging global tragedy sa iba't ibang lugar, rin po ang lugar ng bayan ng Pampanga na lalawigan ng Pampanga. Hindi po namin papayagan na yung mga foreigners na gumagawa ng illegal activities dito sa ating bansa, lalo na sa ating kaibigan. So on that note, Mr. Chairman, my colleagues, salamat. Kaya pa kayo. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, SDS Gonzales. The Chair of Congress, Congressman Dan Fernandez, the Chairman of the Public Organization.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Deliver by rights. We get out short video that was created on PowerPoint. So, Pwede mo na natin dito ko sa
Okay po, babalik po tayo kapag si Atty. Toto Pausig na iniimbestigahan. Thank you.